So the Bears could not be happier today. There's so many great opportunities for them. And as you can see, we're up still about 2.5% on the portfolio today. Basically rolled out of bed to complete this trade right here. See, cooler stock. We bought at $1.54, sold at $1.78. I think our total profit was about $370 profit. So that was a trade that we made. Cooler stock dropped and then recovered after earnings, and we were playing this trade. Essentially, we had a purchase price again of $1.54, shot up to $1.86 at market open. So we ended up selling it right at market open. Basically, just feeling pretty under the weather today. So literally, like I said, rolled out of bed, saw this big spike, sold, sent an update to our Stockmate live trading, and then we were good to go. So that is the swing we took advantage of there with cooler stock. Now it's down, and actually it's still, I mean, if you look at the trend, possibly recovery back up into these levels. They had really good earnings, and they are seeing some momentum around the past few weeks as it's gone left to right. It's at the support, but that's something we'll have to watch. We're also going to be but here's the deal. While we got to make some money on a bull move, the rest of the market was looking pretty red today. You can see that Google is down, big tech is down, and it's all because of the tariffs that are getting slapped on these other countries and essentially going to impact the economy. A lot of people are looking to April 2nd as a really scary date. If you guys search, just search April 2nd tariffs, and you'll see exactly what I mean. April 2nd, tariff day. This is the deadline. Trump declared April 2nd is Liberation Day. Here are all the tariffs he's threatening to impose. And you can take a look here. They say threatening. It's already happening. His plans include reciprocal tariffs on agricultural products and goods from Mexico and Canada. And April 2nd, here we go. It says Liberation Day. That's what he wrote here on Truth Social. With the date approaching, Trump's administration and Trump himself have suggested that new tariffs on April 2nd might not be as expansive as originally planned. Trump told reporters on March 23rd that tariffs on autos, semiconductors, lumber will be announced down the road, while reciprocal tariffs are planned to be announced April 2nd. Now, he may give a lot of countries a break, quote unquote. I don't change, but the word flexibility is an important word, Trump said. Here's what we know about tariffs Trump planned. So tariffs on goods from Canada and Mexico. They've already stated that those are going to happen. Trump paused until April on the 25% tariffs on goods from Canada and Mexico that are recovered by the U.S.-Mexico-Canada trade agreement. And that agreement covers a wide range of imports from both Canada and Mexico, including agricultural products, clothing, fruits, vegetables, basically dairy, all of our household goods. Trump said the tariffs on Mexican goods are intended to crack down on drug and border policy. Canada's finance minister LeBlanc said that while we continue to work for the removal of all tariffs, so they are delaying the retaliatory tariffs. Now, when we're looking at these articles, that's going to impact the market, and that's great for bears, right? That means that there will be some sell-offs that happen in the markets, and that means that there will be opportunities to make money. Essentially, what we'll be watching is some of big tech as they could be effective, but more importantly, like we might take a look into some of the companies that rely heavily on exports and see what type of sell-offs and trends we can look at. I mean, it's not like we are only trading bullish stocks. We also want to look at the direction of bearish stocks and see if there's a trend that we can potentially short. So we will be looking at shorts this next week as we get into April 2nd's announcements, and we'll also be potentially looking at some of our smaller bull positions like KULR, CTM stock, even in quantum. If you take a look at quantum today, the market was down for the third consecutive day, about the same price point of about 6%. So quantum market's been getting hit there as well. But again, widespread market sell-off does not mean that you're not going to have opportunities to make money. There's actually some of the best opportunities when you have clear trends that we're able to short. So again, we'll be watching some companies. If you guys have any that you're watching as far as direction that are starting to catch your eye. Leave them in the comment section below and what you think about the recent market direction. What we're going to be doing today is we're traveling to Colorado, so we will be on a plane, but we should have an update by end of day today on how the market finishes out the day. Thank you guys again for watching. And again, if you want to watch me trade live, we go live Monday through Friday. Today was a little iffy, but when it comes down to our sessions, if you guys want to watch me trade live at market open on Monday, it's the second link in the description. That's Stockmates. We'd love to have you there. There's a sale there in the second link, and it's not going to get any better than this. So make sure to simply take a look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you all. See you guys in the next video. Take care.